Is there a way to execute a program on power events? I'm basically looking for a way to execute an application when my laptop transitions to battery power, and, similarly, when it returns to AC. Is there a built-in hook in Windows or a third-party application that will allow me to respond to such events? Edit. I've looked into the task scheduler trying to fire off a task on a power event, but no event seems to be logged when switching to battery.
Don't know of a simple command you can run for this, but scripting should be able to do this. Try intercepting the Win32_power management event in PowerShell or WSH. The Tom's Hardware article has some VB script code, but I think you'll need a case for event type 10, power state change. Stack Overflow has some ideas at how can I know when Windows is going into out of sleep or hibernate mode, though you'll have to extend the idea to handle power state change instead of sleep hibernate. You might also find some ideas in the code for the question how does one use Management Event Watcher to keep track of suspend resume. Edit. In fact, try something like this. This is totally hacked together, so it's not pretty. Change the echo statements to do whatever you want if change to DC or AC power is detected. Run with script power.vbs. Power.vbs.
I wrote an application, this URL, that will listen for a power mode change message and execute actions based on an XML configuration. If someone else can use it, or extend it, then awesome. If there's something better, then please post it.
I love Bill's approach, but he doesn't tell you how to register for a WA event in PowerShell, so here's how to do it. If you want your code to trigger only when the system power state changes, as described here, use this code. Now, this will trigger whenever the power state changes, whether you plug the device in, or unplug it. So you might further want to stop and pause to ask the question. Am I on power or not? Fortunately, we can do that via the WA class battery status, so here's the full construct that I use to only run an operation when a power event changes, and then only if I'm no longer on power.
Combine Task Scheduler and PowerShell to do this. To achieve the PowerShell script, check out Chris85's answer. This URL. Then create the task in the scheduler. This URL.
If you want to try the